In the vibrant heart of a growing skyline, Himalaya Horizon continues to rise with purpose and precision. This December, the project marks powerful progress across every corner of the site. Block C now stands proudly at the 10th floor, pushing upward with confidence as it begins to shape its place on the horizon. Nearby Blocks A and B have both reached the 5th floor, moving steadily as the development grows in perfect rhythm. At the core of the project, the lift side has advanced to the 1st floor, forming the backbone of vertical movement that will soon bring seamless access and everyday convenience to future residents. Inside Block C, the 3-bedroom show house is taking form, with masonry, plaster, blundering, and gypsum works now 30% complete. These early details are beginning to reveal the refined living experience that will define Himalaya Horizon: thoughtful, elegant, and built for modern comfort. Soon, this space will support a vibrant community, welcoming business, convenience, and energy to the ground level of the development. All around, teams continue to work with dedication. Each task, each floor, each detail, bringing the vision of Himalaya Horizon closer to reality. As the year closes, the project stands as a symbol of progress, momentum, and the promise of a new way of living. This is Himalaya Horizon, and this is your December update.